iPod. Great to see you.
Hi. I'm so exhausted. I need a drink of electronic water and some silicon chips to eat.
Really? What's wrong with you? Let me guess. The human dropped you in the fish tank again. What a clumsy guy.
No. He played on the games which use up most of my memory. My memory is now full.
Name the games. I'll tell you how much memory they use.
Okay. Plants vs. Bumblebees, Slightly Annoyed Birds, Paperwork Stamping, and he watched Close Encounters of the Office kind.
Ouch. He used up 99.9999% of it.
Hold on. I think I've found the delete memory button. I've pressed it. Oh, it was just the self-detonate button.
What? You're gonna explode now. You've really blown it.
Oh great.